Hey everyone, and now we are going to start a new course that will be the Typescript DSA course. So, we will be doing this data structures and algorithms using the Typescript programming language. Alright, so what are we going to do? We will go through the basics of Typescript. So, you will learn all the basics like the variables and functions, and apart from that, some common data structures like strings and arrays, objects, and all. We will learn about types and interfaces as well. Apart from that, we will also learn about the object-oriented programming and all the four things about it: inheritance, abstraction, polymorphism, encapsulation, and we will also know about the access modifiers. So that will help you get completely started, or we can say it will help you get a robust start to this course, so that you can start with implementing these data structures and algorithms in TypeScript, and slowly we will move to solving the challenges. First, we will solve the easy problems, we will then move on to the medium ones, and then to the hard ones. Alright, what are we going to learn? So, we will learn all the common data structures, like for example, stack, queue, linked list, graphs, and maybe heaps as well, priority queue you can call. So many things that we are going to learn, and yeah, we will be implementing them using TypeScript only. So all the data structures that are there, you might have seen these in Java, or maybe even if you are getting started with just one programming language, that is the TypeScript. I really believe that you should take this course, because you will be learning what data structures exactly are, what they do, and we will individually learn what that particular data structure does. We will also learn about popular algorithms for various purposes like sorting and searching. For sorting, quick sort, bubble sort, merge sort, selection sort, blah blah blah, and searching like binary search and all. So we will learn about these algorithms. You might have, you might know about, those who are experienced might know about the Dijkstra's algorithm, Cardani's algorithm, like that. Anyway, so we will also implement them using TypeScript, and in the end, we will learn the approach to solve problems before writing the code. Whenever you are going to see a problem, before writing the code, we will see how to approach that problem exactly. So how we can really solve the problems. That we will do. Now, who is this course for? See, this is absolutely a beginner-friendly course, but definitely the experienced people can also watch this by skipping the basic content and jumping onto the main modules that offer challenging problems. So if you are a beginner, that's absolutely no issue, because this course is definitely for beginners. The title is the TypeScript DSA course for beginners. Now, if you are experienced, then don't think that this will be wasting your time, because we are going to have a lot of content for experienced folks as well, because in between this course, the beginner folks will become experienced. They will get through with their basics. They will be understanding all the data structures, they will be understanding the implementation of algorithms, and then they will start solving the challenges. So yeah, they may not be reaching to your level, but they will definitely get some experience before solving the problems. So if you are experienced, don't worry at all. If you want to just revise any data structure, or if you simply want like any kind of approach, if you like my approach to solve a particular problem you see on platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, or whatever, you can definitely watch this course. Alright, so yeah, that's it. This is the announcement. So in the next video, we will be starting our course. Alright, so we will be starting with our introduction to this data structures and algorithms, and we will, after we will know what exactly these data structures are, what algorithms are, we will be getting to the basics of TypeScript, and yeah, we will be really getting started with our course with understanding every single data structure, every single algorithm, and then we will solve the challenges. Alright, so thank you for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.